Started? Okay.
Yes, it is
I
started.
have hated this closet from day one. This is going to be my absolute pleasure.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh!
Sorry, y'all. Looking pretty good aim, though.
Yeah, right? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Move it to the other side.
Stand clear.
Thank you. Have a wonderful time. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that was a good one.
One of the doors will fall. I know, right? I have really good aim.
You actually do have pretty good aim.
Alright, gotta go by real quick.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I gotta go back out.
All right.
Back to the other side.
That was fun. No, I think they're going to do the rest. I just wanted to start, so.